జిల్లా పోతిరెడ్డిపాలెం షుగర్ ఫ్యాక్టరీ ఎదురుగా వెలిసి ఉన్న శ్రీ శ్రీ శనేశ్వర స్వామి క్షేత్రంలో 10వ తేదీ ఆదివారం మాఘ అమావాస్య సందర్భంగా స్వామివారికి ప్రత్యేక పూజలు, ఉదయం తైలాభిషేకం, పిత్రతర్పణాలు, కుష్మాండ దిష్టి అనంతరం శనేశ్వర స్వామి యాగం ప్రత్యేకంగా జరపబడును. మధ్యాహ్నం 12 గంటల నుంచి అన్నదాన కార్యక్రమం జరుగును. కావున భక్తులు అందరూ వచ్చి స్వామివారి కృపకు పాత్రులు కాగలరని కోరుచున్నాము. ఇట్లు ఆలయ సేవకులు. కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం చేపట్టిన రైల్వే స్టేషన్ల ఆధునీకరణ భాగంగా నెల్లూరు రైల్వే స్టేషన్ని 2023 ఫిబ్రవరిలో పనులు ప్రారంభించారు. దీనికి సంబంధించి స్వచ్ఛ భారత్ ప్రాజెక్టు మేనేజర్ సునీల్ కుమార్ నెల్లూరులో అభివృద్ధి పనులను పరిశీలించారు. అనంతరం సునీల్ కుమార్ మీడియాతో మాట్లాడుతూ నెల్లూరు రైల్వే స్టేషన్ల పనులు పూర్తి కానున్నాయని, 2024 కల్లా ఈ స్టేషన్ పనులు పూర్తి చేసి నెల్లూరు ప్రజలకు అందిస్తామని, నెల్లూరు రైల్వే స్టేషన్లో ఆధునీకరణంగా భాగంగా అనేక సదుపాయాలు ప్రయాణికులు కల్పించామని ఆయన అన్నారు.
Then the important structure that air concourse, what we are telling, that is 36 meter wide. So this one is the this one is the small one where the people will come out. These are the parkings, it has been already shown, and these are the future development also where this agriculture, horticulture, everything, and this is the future. So these are the broad units which we are going to construct in this project. So that is this air concourse I said you, it is 36 meter wide.
The one which we just saw, अभी हम आते वक्त जो सबसे बड़ा structure है, that is the air concourse, 36 feet.
This is the Nellore major operation of the Nellore railway station, and it is under the Gati Shakti. The project cost is 102 crores, and we are developing this Nellore railway station in such a way that any passenger should not face any problem either getting the train or boarding the train. We are here providing for arrival passenger and departure passenger in the separate mode. This arrival passenger will use a subway and they will get out, and the passenger who want to board the train, they will use air concourse which is connected all the 4 platforms, and it is connected with a staircase, lift and escalator to give whatever that shade is there. So during the sun, during the rain, the passenger has to wait there. So initially some portion was it is covered and some was not covered. So now in this scope we are covering 100%. That is the short form of the cover. Here either the people will come or go. Sometimes they have to park their 4-wheeler, 2-wheeler. So for that also this development is there, both sides, this east side as well as west side. And for 2-wheeler it is covered, 4-wheeler it is managed, not covered. Somewhere it is granite, somewhere concrete, somewhere marble. To give the aesthetic view, this entire platform will have a marble. So it will give a similar look and as well as the advanced look also. The beauty of the platform in good shape, and it will also look like a new one. The signage and a basic principle providing the signage is, suppose a 10-year-old boy or girl, if they will come at the platform, without any hesitance, without any much difficulty, once he is able to read and write, or he can see the signboard, he can board his respective train, and at the same time if he drop from the train, he will go out, he will catch their this taxi and everything. So everywhere where the signage is there, where the platform is there, means display will be in such easy way that a 10-year-old boy or girl can board the train without any much difficulty. So this is the basic principle which we are going to explore in the signage. If you see this airport also, everywhere it has written. We are utilizing, and our intention is to this simplify more than that. So generally, in a general perception, this level, IQ level of the passenger generally at the airport is much more than this railway. It will give a such a general information that anybody can easily catch their train and easily they were devoted from the train. 45% progress, and we are hoping that we will complete within the stipulated time by the October, if everything goes well. These are the photo which after completion of this project it will something look like this. This is the west side.
The side from which we came out.
Just the east side.
This is the popular place of Vellore station.
Yeah, it is beside the NHA.
The west side is that seems so elegant. The west side is that look of the west side. Very elegant.
Actually, east side what